Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add a story on your Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account there. And then just tap on this create story at the center left. Just click on this create your story. Then simply choose a photo from the gallery, whichever you want to select, and just tap on this share button at the bottom right. You can also edit your story from this list here at the top right. And after just tap on this share option at the bottom right. That's it, your story has been shared. It will take some minutes. So hope this video helped you a lot, and thank you for watching. Before you go, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.